game crashing when loading Bluegate Unreal process has crashed. This is a common Arc Raiders issue specifically tied to Bluegate, and it's not your hardware. That Ryzen 5 9600X plus 9060 XT plus 32 gigabytes RAM is more than enough. The problem usually comes from map-specific asset loading, shader compilation issues, or temporary corruption in the game's cache. Here are the fixes that work for most players. Number 1, clear the Arc Raiders shader-derived data cache. Bluegate loads different assets plus lighting, so a corrupted shader file can crash on Unreal Engine. Steps: 1, close the game. 2, go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. 3, delete these folders if they exist. Derive data cache, shader cache, intermediate. 4, relaunch the game so it can rebuild everything. This alone fixes the issue for many players. Number 2, verify game files. A specific Bluegate asset may be corrupted. Steam, library, right-click Arc Raiders, properties, installed files, verify. And number 3, run the game in DX11 mode. Some areas of Arc Raiders, including Bluegate, have stability issues in DX12 with AMD GPUs. Try running in DX11. 1, Steam, right-click Arc Raiders. 2, properties, launch options. 3, add. You can see the code in our conversation history. Number 4, turn off shader cache in AMD software. AMD sometimes incorrectly handles UE5 shader caching in specific maps. Steps: 1, open AMD Adrenalin. 2, go to graphics. 3, disable shader cache. Restart the PC afterward. Number 5, disable overlays. Overlay hooks can crash UE5 during map loads. Turn off Steam overlay, Discord overlay, AMD overlay. Important: MSI Afterburner, Riva-Tuner. Then launch again. Number 6, lower texture streaming pool, temporary fix. Bluegate loads heavy textures during the intro. Try set textures to medium, set virtual texture streaming on, restart game. If it works, you can increase settings again. Number 7, reboot after a successful raid arc. Raiders sometimes leaks memory after certain raids. A fresh reboot before loading Bluegate again often stops the crash loop. Important note, if every other map works except Bluegate, it's almost always a broken shader cache, an AMD driver plus DX12 interaction, or a map-specific asset bug. The devs are aware of crashes on Bluegate and may patch it soon.